Hello guys, it's Niles here. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to guide you how to quickly create hitbox for any custom models within Source 2 engine, specifically in Dota 2 workshop tools. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. Alright, now we're currently in Hammer Editor. I have pre-set up a small map of size 16x16. In the middle is a prefab of basic entities just to make the map compile and works normally. So before we actually dive in and create our own hitbox model, let's just inspect a built-in hitbox model in-game to see how it behaves. Let's go to Entity Tool or Shift E and then search for NPC Dota building. Right. One small notice here is that you can use other entities as well to create a built-in hitbox model. But for the sake of this example, I will just use Dota-related stuff to avoid conflicts and errors. Let's just create it on the left. It doesn't do anything right now, but we're gonna give it a world model, a building. For example, let's search for barracks, B-A-R, barracks. Now I'm gonna scroll down to see where's my model. There. You can pick any one of these four. I'm gonna pick the first one. All right. This has a hitbox model built-in within it. Let's go to our own model, just for demonstrate by clicking Shift B or the block tool. Just drag anywhere on the screen, hit enter, and then raise it up. This will be our own model, but currently it doesn't have any hitbox. Let's see how it behaves in game. Now you go to File, Build, or pressing F9. Okay, now we're in game. So now you see that we have two objects, one for the building on the left and one is our block on the right. Let's first hover on the building. As you can see, it got highlight in green, indicating that the built-in hitbox for it has been working well. But why in the left it doesn't work in the same way? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replicate the behaviors of the built-in barracks onto our own block. So let's get back to Hammer. Now we're in Hammer again. So let's right click on the mesh, selected objects, and create model from selection. So our save model will be saved under the models directory. Let's name it my block, for example. Enter. Okay, now is our model has been converted to prop static. We want to use the same entity names as NPC Dora building. So let's rename it NPC Dora building. Yeah. Save it again, and let's go back to asset browser. Now we're gonna open the model doc editor. Browse for file and select out myblock.vmdl right there. Open it. Okay, now our block has been loaded. So the first thing to do is go to add, search for bone, yeah. And we're gonna give it a name, root, for example. The next step is I'm gonna right click on my FBX file and add skin to single bone. The bone name should be root. All right, and go to add again. This time we heard for hitbox, set, okay, and give a name default, for example. And right click, add hitbox. and select root as the pawn. Okay, so it's simple setup. One final thing is we need to scale the hitbox so that it fits the boundary of the block. To do that, let's go to the scale tool on the left or press E. Yeah. And then you can grab the middle gizmo and scale it up. It's gonna take a few iterations because it's quite small, but be patient. There you go. Now I'm gonna scale it just right to fit my whole block. And horizontally. Yeah. One final note is that if you scale down like this, and when your cursor hover in this area, it will detect the hitbox. But when you put it outside, it won't detect and won't got highlighted. Let's get back normal. Okay, our work is done. Let's click Needs Compiling to compile the model. And return to our hammer, File, Build Map, and Build. Okay, our final moment. Let's hover back to our building, got highlight, and ours. Whew! We made it. Now, to move furthermore, you can use this hitbox to implement any cool logic, such as mouse detect on click to move the hero or let the hero destroy the building, for example. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!